Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. JISOO ate with that. Alright, next up is, let me see, what is the title? Your Love. Now this one I don't really know of. This is a full English song, is it? Let me see. Oh. Okay, Miss JISOO.
Stars in my eyes, constellations for you.
Oh, wait, hold up. What you gonna eat with this? It's very EDM, like, not EDM, but like, it could drop EDM. But it sounds like very festival vibes too. Ooh, hold up, turn this up. Oh. Okay. Got me feeling like I'm in love. I am though. But this song is it's like 2x2. Bro, I can see this being on a TV show. Watch one of her dramas. They're gonna use it. I keep on looking at her picture. It's so good. Okay, JISOO. Okay. Your love is wait. Your love feels like a Sunday when you got nowhere to go. Well, that's good love, yo. you know. Every Sunday I always take a good like break, do nothing. I try not to do anything like content related or just like vibe out. And I kind of see what it's like homey. It's very warm. Don't lie to me. Unless you meant like, first of all, I know damn well I'm not gonna be young forever, but like, not like actual young forever, but like feeling wise, we'll feel young. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Who you in love with, JISOO? Who you in love with? Ooh. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay. I like the chorus. I like the way that it was like flowed. Your love is let me see this. Wait. It's over here. Yeah. Where you gonna go? Hey. Wow, that was actually, I think this might be my favorite. Is it my favorite over Earthquake? I might repeat this more than Earthquake. Maybe, I don't know. We don't know. Well, let me see. I want to see if, who are like the credits go to. Okay, JISOO in her freaking writing bag, per use. Okay, so Violet Skies. Now, Violet Skies has something to click on. Hold up. Oh, there we go. Okay, Miss Violet be in there. Oh, she wrote Crown for Sulgi. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if she wrote the chorus part too or had help in it, but That's what hooked me in. 69 songs written.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.